Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about Minecraft. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the foundations for playing Minecraft. First, we're going to learn how to select or change your skin to play Minecraft. A skin refers to the character which you're going to be playing in your Minecraft world. To change your character, once you have download Minecraft on your computer, you're gonna log in and you're gonna see the welcome window. In this welcome window, you're gonna see the default skin. To change it, you're gonna click on the hanger icon. There, you're gonna be able to see the different options that you have to pick your own skin. For example, you have everyday heroes. Let's say you want to be a fireman. Once you select your skin, you're gonna confirm. And there, you have selected your own skin to play Minecraft. The second thing we're gonna learn today is how to create your own world to start crafting and creating things in Minecraft. To start creating your own world, you're gonna select Play. Once you select Play, you're gonna see three different tabs at the top of this screen. You're gonna see Worlds, Friends, and Servers. We will talk about Friends and Servers in a different video. Today, we want to create a new world. To create a new world, you're gonna click on Create New. Once you have clicked on Create New, this window will appear and you will see the different templates that Minecraft has available for you, in which you can explore worlds and different worlds that are already created. But since we want to create our own world, we're gonna click on Create New World. Now, once you have clicked Create New World, the first thing you want to do is to name your world. You can name it any name you want. So, for example, I'm gonna name this world my third world. Now, you want to pick your game mode. Minecraft offers two game modes. You have survival mode, in which your character will go hungry and it will receive damage. So you will have to find resources to feed your character, and also you will have to protect yourself against the weather or different mobs. Mobs are different creatures that can appear in the game that can cause you damage. The creative world is in which you can craft and create things without worrying about your health or going hungry. So we're going to select creative. Now we're going to select the difficulty level. The difficulty level, we're going to pick peaceful, in which you're going to be able to create and build things in Minecraft without worrying about receiving damage from different mobs. And we have three different types of worlds. We have flat, we have infinity, and we have old. The infinity world is in which the world will expand as long as you continue exploring the world. The flat world is basically has boundaries in which you can explore. And the old world just refers to an old world that has also limitations in terms of boundaries. So we're gonna select infinity. Now you can allow your coordinates to show during the game, but since we want to explore, we're gonna leave that off. We're gonna cheats allow you to use slash commands, which are very important. Now we'll talk about slash commands in another video. So once you have selected your game mode, your difficulty level, and the type of world you want to create, you're going to hit on create. Once the world has generated, you're going to be spawned in some part of the world. Now from here, we're going to learn the different movement commands that you can use in Minecraft to move your skin around. So the first thing you want to notice is that your mouse is going to function as your eyes. So if you turn your mouse around, you're going to be able to see what is around you. So the mouse works as your eyes. So looking down, looking up, and looking to the sides. Now, if you want to move forward, you're going to use the arrows on your keyboard. So to move forward, you're going to use your up arrow. Once you do that, you're going to see that your mob moves forward. Now, to move backwards, you're going to use the down arrow on your keyboard. And you notice your mob moves backwards. And we're very close to that edge before jumping into what seems water. Now, so moving forward, up arrow, backwards, down arrow. If you want to move to the left, you're going to use the left arrow, or right with your right arrow. So those are the movement commands. Now, if you're stuck and need to figure out where you are, you can also fly. To fly, you're going to use your space bar. You're going to click it twice, and you're flying. So you can go above the ground and see where exactly you are on your wall. If you want to go down, you're just going to click your space bar once. So you have learned how to use the movement commands on Minecraft. Lastly, we're going to learn how to mine different objects. So when we have a block here, you're going to use the command, the letter C, to craft. And you see your skin was able to craft that block. If you want to pick something, you're going to use the letter P to pick. And now you have sand. To place the sand, you're going to use the letter I to use it. And the skin will be able to place that. So to craft, C, to place, I, and to collect, P. If you want to get rid of the sand because you want to collect something else, you're just going to hit your letter Q to quit. So those are the commands actions for Minecraft. One last command that is very useful is jump. To jump, you're going to click your space bar and you're going to move forward with your up arrow. So I hope you have enjoyed this presentation on how to create your wall, change your skin, and the different movement commands on Minecraft. So just go ahead and start playing and crafting with Minecraft. Thank you for watching and see you next time.